Let's do some experiments about compressional force. First, we need to prepare some foam trapezium blocks. Place them side by side on the desk. They represent fractured crusts. Experiment 1. Place your hands on both ends of the blocks and then push from both ends. Note how the blocks move. It will move upwards. Experiment 2. Turn the whole line of blocks upside down and place them on the desk again. Just like experiment 1, push them from both ends with your hands. What do you observe? Two sides of blocks will move upwards. Experiment 3. Repeat experiment 1 and 2 again, but we need to make some changes. First, we add more trapezium blocks. Push them from both ends with your hands. What do you notice? The trapezium blocks move upwards. Then we add more narrow parallelogram blocks too. Push them again. Some trapezium blocks and parallelogram blocks move upwards. After observing several experiments, what do you find? While we are pushing the blocks, we are stimulating rocks under compressional force. We noticed that rocks which are broken or fractured will be displaced. These experiments are very simple. You can try them.